Timor-Leste no Malazia konsolida nafatin relação bilateral no kontinua serviço hamutuk e setor oi-oin.
E a quarta, Primeiro-Ministro Malazia Anwar Ibrahim encontrou o Primeiro-Ministro Relasaun Guzmão, onde discute com a relação bilateral entre Rairua. Nune, foi um encontro, o Primeiro-Ministro Malazia e Timor-Leste declara se serviço hamutuk na fatin onde contribui para o desenvolvimento do país. No ia sormutu Sanana Guzmão, onde homólogo concorda a Timor-Leste e Malazia continua serviço hamutuk e setor oi-oin, anesan comércio no investimento, educação, saúde, turismo, nomos áreas siraselutan. Além de Sanana mos agradece ao Primeiro-Ministro Malazia ni apoio para Timor-Leste ni adesão no dar membro pleno ASEAN, nebe maksay oficialize fulang outubro tinang ne.
A great honor to us to welcome the Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim to our country. This official visit marks an important milestone in the friendship between our two countries, which has continued to grow since we established diplomatic relations in 2002. Our talks today were warm and productive. We agreed to further enhance our bilateral relations across multiple sectors, including trade and investment, higher education, health and tourism. This reflects our strong political trust and shared commitment to deeper engagement. We recognize the role of education and training in preparing our young people for the future, agreeing to new programs, scholarships, and partnership between institutions. Connectivity between our countries is another a high priority. The new air services between Kuala Lumpur and Delhi, together with the visa waiver for Malaysians visiting Timor-Leste, will make it easier for our citizens to travel, to work together, and to discover opportunities in each other's countries. These initiatives will strengthen tourism, investment, and cultural understanding between the two people. Malaysia has been a consistent supporter of Timor-Leste membership of ASEAN.
E a oportunidade nesse governo si Malazia afirma se serviço hamutuk na fatin e setor importante sira nebe iha o di fo benefício ida nebe diak entre Rairua.
Discuss mechanisms to enhance bilateral relations in investments, in trade, in tourism, in education, in health, in energy. So I think what we need to do is, of course, to follow through. And I've said that Malaysia will be here and Timor-Leste will be in Malaysia as friends to help and assist one another. And within ASEAN, of course, I'm delighted that Timor-Leste has done whatever is possible to accelerate the process because there are certain conditions, pillars, rules, laws, and Prime Minister has been extremely supportive in this venture, and we always fulfill all the requirements.
Primeiro-Ministro Malazia honia delegação mai Timor-Leste também tem convite ao Presidente da República José Jorta no Primeiro-Ministro Relasaun Guzmão. O objetivo é trocar hanoin com a preparação adesão formal Timor-Lestenian ba ASEAN deve se realize lorong-ron resinen fulang outubro e Kuala Lumpur, Malazia. Nunemos atualmente em relação bilateral na cooperação econômica, social, no cultural entre Malazia e Timor-Leste futuro. Aderito Ximenes, Bem-vinda Ximenes, Yemen.